What's going on, y'all? Welcome to the Mastablendz Grilling and Cooking channel. My name is Trey, and today we're gonna be making smoked quarter pounder with cheese. Ha! Let's get it. All right, y'all. Let's get to making these burgers. So the only seasoning I'm gonna be using today is this Royale burger blend from Fire and Smoke Society. If you don't have this, just put a little bit of salt and pepper on there. That's all you really need. So let's just go ahead and get these things coated. All right. Bam, simple as that. So once you get these things coated, we're gonna go ahead and take them and put them on your smoker. I'm gonna be running my smoker at 275 degrees. All right, let's go ahead and get it right. All right, let's go ahead and get these burgers on this grill. It's sitting at 280 right now. We're just gonna go ahead and place them in the middle. All right, we're gonna let those cook for 30 minutes and then we'll come back and flip them over. All right, catch you in a minute. All right, you guys, it's been 30 minutes. Let's go ahead and take a look at them. All right, they're looking pretty good. Let's go ahead and flip them over. All right, we're gonna leave them like that for another 30 minutes and we'll be right back. All right. All right, you guys, it's been another 30 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and put some cheese on these bad boys. All right. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and let this cheese melt for probably about 3 or 4 minutes. I stuck a probe in there. I'm trying to reach 160. We at 158 right now. So I'll be back when this cheese melts. All right. All right, that cheese done melted. We're gonna go ahead and take these bad boys off. Hey, we're gonna go ahead and make this burger. All right, let's go ahead and make these quarter pounders. As you can see, I got the containers straight from McDonald's. Hey, I ain't playing no games. All right, I went ahead and put a piece of cheese on the bottom. Go ahead and grab your burger. Put that on there. Put that on there. Hey, we're gonna take some of this mustard. A little bit of that ketchup. Got some pickles. Hey, and a couple onions. All right, you guys, and there you have it. The McDonald's smoked quarter pounder with cheese. Take a look at that right there. Come on now. It don't get no better than this. Hey, I appreciate you guys from watching. My name is Trey. Don't forget to hit that like button, share, subscribe. Hey, you know what time it is. It's time to eat.